Inspect your cables. Make sure you're not leaking anything over here. Look at that wheel speed sensor is damn close up. Not sure. Probably want to clean all that up. Okay. To be continued. Alright, we are back. Okay. Let's start. Got all new hardware. Bottom spring is here, smaller one. Just gonna connect the two shoes here. Boom and boom. Got them on like so, okay. Just like that. You're gonna want them lined up with that piston right there. Make sure that the piston's rotated the correct way for your shoes to slide in. We're gonna go ahead and do the e-brake cable first. Get it on in there. You may or may not have to replace this bracket right here. As you've seen, I had to. Tuck it up in the right spot up in there. Get it up in there, okay. Boom. One hooked in. Don't go like so. Make sure it all fits. Okay. First of all, your pin's got to go in first. So, we're gonna start here. Now, she just has to be back to where she's supposed to go. Make sure she's centered up on your piston and all there. Okay. adjuster. Adjuster. And I want this short end on the inside like this, facing the e-brake. Okay, just like so. Just like so, okay. And I'll adjust that all the way in. This is your adjustment. It's gonna sit just like this, just like that. Well, boys, I think I did it wrong. We're gonna have to go under, because she ain't gonna fit in. I have to squeeze that out, then put her on in there. There we go. Then put it back down like so. Make sure you get your adjustment pin in there, the old self-adjuster tab. Okay, as you can see, that spring is supposed to set behind that, and I didn't do that, but we just did that, so we should be all right. Just go ahead and keep them on adjusting. Adjust your tabs back out. To where she's behind that. See? You want that tab to be behind that. Okay. Go higher than that. Okay. Got 2 more springs to get on this bitch, okay? This one's next. Short side off left. Short side, left side, long side, up in this corner. Not sure how good that's gonna work out, but we're gonna try it right here. See if we can get a hold of it. And that's that. Actually, we gotta put the self-adjuster back on. So, self-adjuster goes there. You got one extra spring that they did not give me. Nice. Looks like the rebuild kit does not come with the one for the adjuster. That's gonna be this one. So if you buy it, make sure you get the right ones. And this is gonna go boom, just like so. Hooks onto this self-adjuster. Right there. Then comes down to here. Yep, let's not do that. Let's get it in there where it goes, okay. Let's hook this bad boy on there, okay. Grab the old spring, bring it down. Boom, okay. Again, check your roundness, make sure you're all lined up, then grab your rotor. You're gonna want to clean all that out, and if you got some dirt up in there. You want a little drag, but not too much drag. And that's gonna be too much drag, because I can't even get it on. So, tighten it back down more. You want to rotate the adjuster up, upward towards the top of the car. Don't mind my OCD-ness. Clean my screwdriver that needs to be cleaned. Hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Close, but no cigar.